works on my own device. And yeah, we'll kick it off shortly. Shortly. Yo. Wonder if I can change the no, it doesn't look like I can. That's fine. That's fine. Yo, Driller AJ, what's up? TikToker, what's up? Welcome to the stream. We're gonna be coding some video editing software, open source software very soon. I'm just setting some things up here. Initially, McCracken 69, welcome. Hope you're having a good day, night, morning, evening, afternoon, whatever it may be. If I move here, is it okay? Yep, sweet. Sweet as chips. Chips aren't sweet, salty as chips. Can I add this to my bookmarks? Just setting some things up here, bear with me. Engineer Mohammed, welcome. I assume that eng means engineer. Could be wrong. Alright. Alright, just setting some things up before we start. Hope everyone is well. B is me, welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a good time, good day. 4. A4, what does that symbol mean next to your name? I don't know. Not familiar with TikTok chat symbols very well. Alright. Hi, good morning. Thank you for commenting. 4. Do you know what that symbol next to your name means? I don't know. Let me check. Can I check here? Oh, I can. It is to level. Nice. You're level 4. You get rewards? That's pretty cool. I don't know how that stuff works. So what am I doing? Yeah, I'm trying to build a open source video editing app, software, desktop application. It's using Electron and ReactJS. The first feature I'm going to be coding is automatic silence removal. I've written a little description here, depending on where you are. Yeah, I'm just setting some things up right now before we get into the technical coding, but yeah, thank you for joining. Hope you enjoy. I'm also taking any requests of anything you want to see or any questions you want me to answer, so feel free to leave them in the chat. It's Meme, thank you for joining the stream. Just gonna double check my Twitch, make sure everything is good before we kick off. Looks pretty good to me. Nice. Wait a second. Actually, we have a bit extra. I'm just gonna crop some things before we start. Bear with me, guys. Whoa. Go. Crop. Bit cropping there, crop here. Here we go. Is that better? Nope, that's worse. Is that because I'm not? Oh, you sent me roses. Oh, 1 rose. Thank you so much, 4. I appreciate that. I don't normally get gifts on TikTok, so when I do, it's really special. Thank you so much. Okay. I think we're pretty much good to start now. So what kind of language is this? Is it C++? No. So this, what you're seeing here is ReactJS. Well, TypeScript, ReactJS is the framework built on top of, React is normally built on top of JavaScript, but TypeScript is like you know, typed JavaScript, I guess. So yeah, that's what you're seeing here. These are components, React components, which kind of comes down to, in the end, HTML components, divs. And then using this library called Electron, you can actually package all this ReactJS stuff. Harry, welcome to the stream. You can package all the ReactJS and build a native desktop application. So that's what we have here, the video editor. And what this originally did, I forked this repository. You can upload a file and convert it into a GIF or GIF, GIF. It's pretty cool. It has a little mini player here, and I'm gonna try extend this software to do some other features. For says, yeah, I know it's the index is the second language and JavaScript is the basic. Yep, that's right. So yeah, that's that. So last time I tried to, they're using this library called ffmpeg, which is a pretty standard library used for manipulating and editing video and audio. So there, they're here, this convert method they have. They're pretty much taking the input and changing the format to GIF with no audio, and then setting the output. It's pretty simple, it seems. Commands for turning a video into a GIF. And one day I asked ChatGPT how I would write ffmpeg with JavaScript to remove all parts of the video less than 3 decibels. And it gave me a full kind of algorithm here to do that. So I'm gonna try kind of use this. It's not exactly how it would work on my app, but it's very, like, these commands is pretty much what we want. The silence detect and then the A select seems like it. So we're gonna give that a go. For says, I have a little bit of background about coding. Do you have any good advice for someone that wants to learn coding? Yeah, normally when this is like my most asked question. Normally when people would ask that, I would say YouTube, because I like watching videos on YouTube. I find them more engaging, but after some retrospection, I find tutorials, like written tutorials, to actually sometimes be better. So what I would do is like find something that you want to do, like, I don't know, you want to make a game, you want to make a video editing app, and you type that in Google, like video editing app tutorial. And then like the cool thing about written tutorials is like they have the code there on the same page, you can copy paste, and they'll like explain the code line by line. Like, it's really helpful. But yeah, thank you for your comment. I hope that answers. Feel free to ask more questions. Yeah, so they build a command and then they put input options. This ffmpeg is from Fluent ffmpeg. I kind of want to read these docs a bit, so do some research on that. Let me just Google that. Here we go. The ffmpeg, Fluent ffmpeg npm package. Do they have some good looking docs? Creating an ffmpeg command. So you create commands either like that. Is that how they did it? Let's see. They didn't really go new. They just called the thing as a function, which is interesting. Declare function ffmpeg. This is in there. Okay. Oh yeah, you could do it like that as well. You can also use the constructor without the new operator. Yep, that's what they've done. Specifying inputs. Yep. Just add the path to the input. And input options. Yeah. I want to know how to get a command like this silence detect. I wonder if they say that anywhere. Here, oh my god, they literally say it. Audio filters. This method enables custom audio filters. You may add multiple. Each filter past this method can either be a filter string or a filter specification. Optional. Okay. This is what I want. But I don't know if I can apply that to a video. Silence detect. I wonder if ChatGPT is online. Let's have a look. It's been down a lot of the time. Oh, my session expired. But I just love using it, man. I feel like I'm gonna keep using this. Wow, the music just got real loud. I'm gonna keep using this tool for like forever. And I feel like software engineers should. I've seen a lot of comments that are like, oh, this is gonna stop you from learning coding if you use ChatGPT and stuff. But in my opinion, there was like similar comments when people were using Google to Google how to do coding stuff. And it's not like you don't have access to that in your day job. I Google in my day job all the time, so I don't know. I feel the same way about ChatGPT. It's like, if you can use it in your day job, might as well just learn to use it all the time. So yeah. So I'm gonna be like, write me an algorithm that uses Fluent ffmpeg npm package to remove silence from video. Let's see if it comes up with anything useful. Import it. Yep, already done that. Then use the input method to specify the input. Yep, done that. Get to the juicy part, please. Now you can use the noise filter to detect and remove silence. The noise filter takes several parameters such as threshold. Okay, so they're not even using silence detect. Output options. Oh shit. Okay. I wonder if that'll work. Oh no, they do use silence remove. They don't even use this noise filter they talk about. No, see, the problem with silence remove is it doesn't make a video. Can I tell it that? I'll be like, I don't think you can use silence remove and output a video. Let's see this conversational aspect. You are correct, silence remove is only used for an audio track. If you want to remove it from a video, you'll need to remove silence from the audio track and then combine the audio track with the video track. To do this, you can use the same package, use the silence remove, and then use merge file. Okay, let's see. Yo, welcome to the stream, everyone. Ask me some questions. What do you guys want to know? Or what do you want to see? If you could build any app, code any app, what would you code? That's a question I have for you guys. I'm curious. All right, let's see how this merge thing works. Input, output options, output, save the audio track. So they make a temporary audio track and then they input the audio track, remove the silence, and then save another audio track with the silence removed. I feel like they could have just done that on the first one. Anyway, let's just see. And now they merge the audio track with the video track to create a new file. Well, you can get two inputs? Shit. Save the new. I don't know if that'll work, dude. I feel like this isn't correct. For example, this example first extracts the audio, merges. Note that this example assumes you want to keep the original audio. Huh. I'm like pretty sure this won't work. But, you know, we're just gonna blindly trial it anyway. Just in case it does work. Where's my VS Code? Here we go. Alright, I'll comment out all of their stuff. Comment. Why is it giving me red? Should be fine, it's commented. Paste ChatGPT stuff. Not liking all this red. Oh, what? Did it not copy correctly? Let's copy the whole thing. Oh my god, so much red. The hell is that? Why would it want me to replace ffmpeg with ffmpeg and all these characters? Oh, is it just the indent that it wanted? I don't know. Alright, input file paths. What's it complaining about here? Input does not exist on type of ffmpeg. Yes, it does. We just... Huh? Oh, hold up. See, this time I feel like ChatGPT isn't great at like complex stuff, but it's good at like at least pointing us in the right direction. I saw someone else do this and they you just have to use silence detect. Alright, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT something else. Remove all that. In the docs, might have to write this code myself, to be honest, which is a bit annoying, but I guess that's how it should be done. What is this? Why do I still have that open? I'm trying to find the right window. Yep, here we go. Silence detect. Is it still audio filters? Is it? Yeah. Alright, another tool, Google. Fluent ffmpeg silence detect on video. Do we just still use the audio filter if we want to do that? Let's see. Whoa, look, they got a ChatGPT response here. Where was that? Chat. Oh no. I guess it was somewhere else. It's weird how it just says that. No, they use audio filter as well. Okay. So I think the way this works is if I just put that, like, say here, Remove this GIF thing and the no audio thing. Why does that not comment out properly? So weird. I have like a problem with my ESLint with this project, or I don't know if it's ESLint or something. Yeah, so if I run that, I expect to see some like output with the silence detection. Let's see. Let's refresh this. Open the file again and start the conversion, see what it says. Command ffmpeg, blah, 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 blah. I don't see silence detect in that command. What about in the other window? Oh, it's processing now. Not same thing. Oh, they even still tries to output a GIF. I'm gonna add some console logs for sanity. Starting conversion. Why unexpected console log statement? Why is it unexpected? What the hell is no console? ESLint, man, configured so weirdly. Maybe it's just so you don't push console logs in prod. Is that why it's complaining? In JavaScript that is designed to be executed in browser, it's best practice to avoid using console. Oh, so what do we do instead? Capital console? What the fuck is that? Can I do that? No, I don't have a custom console. What the hell? I've never seen this before. I don't do much Electron programming, so in a web browser, console log is completely fine if it's not prod. So yeah, I'm not sure. Aussie Paul 007, welcome back to the stream. We can allow it in our ESLint, I guess. Might just turn off no console. ESLint? Was that my rules? Can I just put it here? I haven't really messed with ESLint too much, so I'm not sure, but this is a cool way to learn, I guess. Oh, it's not happy with that. Replace no console off with no console off. Okay, I guess that's just a... Oh, maybe it was the type of... quotation marks use. This project has very strict linting rules, it seems, but that's fine. Alright. Let's try this again, see if I get my log. Oh, it's a GIF already. Doesn't look like I got it yet, but it hasn't started either, so we'll just wait. Oh, come on. Come on. Nope, didn't get the log at all. I feel like I should have. I feel like I definitely should have. Can I control F in here? Starting. Nope. Does that mean I have to restart the whole thing every time I change something? That's so annoying. Let me Google. How does hot reload work in an Electron app? Just run this again while we research. Electron reloader is a simple auto reloading. Or you have to install something? Do we have that? Let's see. Oh look, it did log it this time. So we don't have hot reloading. You have to install this electron reloader thing. Huh. I guess I'll just restart it every time. It doesn't take too long to boot up. Oh, now we actually get the silence detect. That's cool. That's cool. Output path is still .gif, which is annoying. So I might just change it to something hard-coded for now. Why isn't this working? There we go. C AJ desktop out.mp4. Okay. Now, what I was expecting with silence detect is the logs, which I do not see here. So well, that's a bit annoying, but I'm sure we could figure out why it's not logging. I'm gonna just quit this since we have to restart again. Unique Yuli, hey, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a good day, night. Yeah, let me know if you want to see something in particular. Taking requests. Trying to get any examples of these two on a video. Oh, they get silence detect. They're only really using it in this audio filters thing, which is what I'm doing as well, but it's meant to log something out if I'm not mistaken. Derm, how you doing? Do you have any app like ChatGPT? Yeah, I think there's a few. I've seen them on TikTok. Let me Google that for you. Here, top 10 perfect ChatGPT things you can use in 2023. Chinchilla from DeepMind. Okay, maybe try Chinchilla. DeepMind is Google's AI thing, I'm pretty sure. Sure. Yeah, by Alphabet, which is the parent company for Google. What else? All of these ones, I guess. Jasper. ChatGPT for Chrome. That's pretty sick. Yeah, there's a bunch. Just Google ChatGPT alternatives. You'll find a bunch. I feel like, I don't know if they'll be as good or not, but they exist, that's for sure. Thanks for the likes, bruh. Okay, I'm gonna keep Googling here. Not sure why I'm not getting the outputs from this. Is there some kind of flag I have to set? Or should we just let it all process? Might as well. Let's try again. Oh my god, desktop out. Crop filters, video filters, scale, video filters. I'll read more about silence detect. I'll remove this fluent library. It seems like there's not much on that. Jan says, is this being completely by AI and stuff or some parts only? Oh, this particular project, I haven't successfully been able to use AI yet. But yeah, I'll use it whenever I can. It makes the job a lot easier sometimes. But currently I haven't really like modified it anything. I think like no, it's like completely done by some by non-AI for now. But yeah. So I was expecting this silence detect to like give us some logs for the parts which have silence, but we're not getting any. So that I might have to change strategies here. The way that ChatGPT suggested it is to output an MP3 with the silence remove, and then merge the MP3 with the MP4. But I don't even think this merge, like there's nothing in this that kind of says keep, like trim it to where the MP3 is, so I don't think that would work. Which is a bit annoying. Let's see if I get it to try again. Is that what it suggested before? Trim? Nope. Let's just replace the old one. Combination of silence remove and trim. Here's an example of how to use trim filter to remove silence from a video file. Let's see. You can use a noise filter to detect moments of silence and then use trim to remove the corresponding sections from the video track. Is that so? This is a very simple and elegant solution if it works. I wish it kind of gave it me the first time. So maybe you just have to try a couple times for ChatGPT to give you what you want. Miles of Iron said, when you're done, can you copy paste it into a GitHub link? Yeah, my project is already on GitHub. You can check it out at aj47/video editor. Yeah, it's public, open source. I forked it from this Gitvisor app. But yeah, I haven't really committed anything. I'm already one commit ahead. I have committed something. What did I commit? Oh, just some like linting stuff, it seems. Yeah, I just fixed some issues and I changed the title from Gitvisor to video editor. But yeah, so if you want to check it out, go to aj47/video editor on GitHub, video-editor. But yeah, like I haven't added any of this silence removing stuff yet. Miles says he's having a blast using ChatGPT to do Redis work. Nice, awesome. I haven't touched Redis yet, but it seems very good. And Quantum Hello World. What's Quantum Hello World? What is that? Sounds cool. Yeah. Let's try get this to work. All right. Comment that one. Input. Paste. It's not happy with this. Why is it not happy with this? Replace. Oh my god, this linting is so annoying. Okay, output options, output. Okay. I wonder if that'll work. That is so elegant. It's like a one-line solution. Let's see. Quantum programming, whoa. Oh, thanks for the GGs. That's awesome. I've never gotten a GG before. I've never done quantum programming before. Jan says quantum computers aren't even accessible yet, bro. Not to the average person, but maybe, I think there might be like some cloud services where you can use them. Or not that easily accessible, yeah. ChatGPT is really fun when you don't know the field, yeah. When you don't know how to do something, it comes in clutch. Alright, let's see what happens here. Oh, error straight away. What's this error? Cannot process the video. ffmpeg exited with 1. Error reinitializing filters. Failed to inject frame into filter network. Invalid argument. Conversion failed. Does it say which particular one caused the error? It doesn't in here. But it does kind of give me something here. I wonder if ChatGPT can understand this. Just copy it. See what it says. Miles says quantum computers are available. Jana says, but they're expensive and basically useless for the average person. Miles says, I've been asking ChatGPT for best design practices on XYZ. It's fun to play with the SDK just because. Yeah, I mean, it's great. Even like, especially because you're so early, like most people haven't even touched quantum programming. So like just being early and like learning before the tech is mature will probably give you quite a kind of head start, I guess, against other developers, which is awesome. So well done doing that. Fortune favors the brave. I apologize for the error. It looks like me an issue with the filters. Make sure that you have the latest version of ffmpeg installed. Oh, this isn't a very helpful response. Alright, so okay. Enter reinitialize. Failed to inject frame into network, invalid argument. What is this? Does Google know? Why? Okay, so it's probably just the filter can't be written like that. Trim set petis. Can you add multiple things like this? Maybe, I don't know if you can do output options like this. Fluent ffmpeg output options complex filter. Let's see if anyone's done this before. Oh, there's literally a thing called complex filters. I meant. Oh, maybe I could do it like this. Yeah. Let's see. Miles says, Jan says, ask ChatGPT to fix it. Yeah, I just tried and it didn't give me a useful solution. Miles says, sounds like you may have set the dimensions off. Oh, maybe. It's fun coding live, not easy to do, I figure. I need to figure out how to stream like this. Yeah, go for it. So I'll give you some tips. I don't know if they changed it, but for TikTok, to get TikTok Studio, which is this tool I'm using here to broadcast off my computer, you needed to have, I think, 1,000 followers and like 25 minutes of live time. So just make some clips. I'm not sure how many followers you have on that. And then I'm also using Restream, which is I don't know, I guess a service to stream to Twitch and YouTube as well using OBS, the software there. So that's my current setup. And also for this, actually it gets a bit more complex. For the visuals you see, like this filter is from Snapchat's Snap Camera, which has like all these cool filters. And then I also use Voice Meter to boost my audio up because TikTok's audio is always so low. So I had to use that. And then I use NVIDIA Broadcast to do noise removal because once I boosted it so high, it like picked up all the static. But with this AI from NVIDIA, it kind of removes all the static. So it's pretty cool. Using a whole bunch of software to get this to work. Mal says, yeah, I have that many. I didn't know they had the tool for desktop. Yeah, it's new-ish. I got it, I don't know, maybe like a month or two ago. I think that's when they released it. Johnny Smith says, do you automate setting up every time? No, I don't. I do it manually. So, but yeah, automation is actually good. Like, it's not that complex. I just click like open everything. Sometimes I have like different types of streams. I'm still experimenting with the layout, especially on Twitch, because on TikTok it's very vertical, but on Twitch and YouTube it's horizontal. So I kind of have the left side of my stream on YouTube and Twitch as the TikTok window, which is what you guys see here. And then I have like the TikTok chat on and a bunch of other stuff on Twitch and YouTube. Jan says, I didn't even know half of these apps existed. Yeah. They're not very commonly used, but you know, once I just kind of need them to get the quality that I expect. Michelle, thanks for joining the stream. Welcome. All right, so I'm going to try to do complex filter instead of output options. Let's see. Complex filter. Silence detect. Oh boy, I do not know. Hold on. Oh shit. What if I just ask ChatGPT to do it? Wait, why is it complaining now? Let's go back to what it was. Okay, good. Help me, ChatGPT. Can you rewrite the script using complex filter instead of output options? I'll just do that in case it doesn't understand. See if it can figure that out. Miles says there's definitely an issue in the dimensionality. What do you mean by that? Jen says, I used to do YouTube streaming and all I had to use was OBS. TikTok is pretty wild, I guess. Yeah, for YouTube and Twitch, all I had to use was OBS as well. And Restream, I guess. But like that software is only OBS. Yeah, TikTok is a bit different. Reinitializing is the issue. It says, okay, look, it seems to have actually done it using complex filter. It's kind of what I was about to do manually, but I wasn't too sure on how to put the options. Let's see if this works. Okay, seems happy with that. Let's try again. Akib Hussein, welcome back. I'm trying to break into the software development industry. Do you have any tips? Yeah, I just what I've used to say to people was find something you're interested in. So that's the same still. If you like, software development is very broad. You can do back-end, front-end, embedded systems, hardware, like programming, like so much stuff. Find what you're interested in. That's step one. Step two is find tutorials that teach you how to build what you're interested in. So a tip that I've been recently giving out is actually to find written tutorials. So by Googling like XYZ tutorial, you can have all the steps, all the code explained to you, and you can copy paste bits of code. It's really helpful. You want to get into front end? You've learned HTML, CSS, and React. Awesome. Yeah, just build stuff that you want. Like, I don't know, websites, web apps. What web app do you want to see that doesn't exist or does exist, but you could make it better? Go on GitHub. So what I've done with this project is fork another project, which was like 80% of what I wanted. And now I'm just tweaking it to get that last 20% of the functionality that I want. So let's give this a run. Another error. Jen says, yeah, Miles says, be curious. Yep, that's definitely very helpful. Learn variable loops and methods. Jen says, also don't be ashamed of taking code from other people. Yeah, 100%. Taking code. All the great developers, all the great artists take inspiration, code, copy from others. There's no shame in that. Yeah. Now that ChatGPT exists, just think of a task and ask it how to make it happen. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm trying to do here, but sometimes it's not as easy as you want. Error initializing complex filters, result too large. What the hell? What? Too large? No. No. ChatGPT, help. Google, help. Okay, there's a problem with the filter chain you were using. Come on, man. You wrote this filter chain. Jan says, isn't ChatGPT open source? I'm not sure. Let's Google that. I don't think the model is out. Like the training algorithm might be open source, but like the actual trained model might not be. No, it's not open source. Which is funny because OpenAI is like initially planned to be open, but they like keep closing everything, which is like, it's fine. I understand. They're trying to be safe. This is some powerful technology. They always say, I don't really want to mess with versions yet, but I might have to if nothing else works. I'm gonna remove this steps thing that they've given us, set PTS. Well, first I'll try to figure out what it actually is meant to do. ffmpeg set PTS, what is that? PTS presentation timestamps. Set PTS filter evaluates the expression and assigns the value as a timestamp. Filters which work upon multiple inputs sync by timestamp. If the streams have different starting points, no, timestamps, this can lead to unexpected outputs. So timestamps are reset. Okay, so we probably do need it. Working GitHub repos, yep, definitely look into that. So Akib, I'll just show you now. You can search GitHub. You can search all the public repositories on GitHub. So like for instance, if I want to look at people that are using this package that I'm having struggles with, I can just search the package name, Fluent ffmpeg, and search all of GitHub for that. Look at the code and then find all the projects that are using ffmpeg, all the repositories. So this, if you click these tabs, repositories, I think it searches all the repositories that have it in its name. Oh, I guess not. But if you search code, it's quite a lot of results, but you can find like, this is how I found the app that I'm working on. This is a bit kind of long. You can do some things to narrow it down. So Let's look at only TypeScript files. I mean projects. Boom. Import ffmpeg. So here, what's this repository? Let's have a look. Media proc. Oh, they haven't really given much of a readme. But the one that I've cloned, look at this, beautiful. Fast and simple GIF maker app, download, yarn start, had like all this testing, set all the tests set up. It was just really good. So you might have to look for it for a bit. Automated Twitch clips. This one looks like a bit more software that allows you to create Twitch clip combinations and upload them to YouTube. So yeah, you can just clone this and or fork it like I did and just build off that. Very cool stuff. Got some more comments. GPT-4 is coming. It's gonna blow this out of the water. Yeah. Oh, is ChatGPT only on ChatGPT 3? I mean on GPT 3 or is it GPT 4? I was gonna modify it. Isn't it still being tested? I wanted to make a Call of Duty stats page. Oh, sweet. I think I might pursue that. Awesome, Akib. That sounds great. If that's what you're interested in, I think that'll give you more motivation to actually follow through. Because I think the biggest downfalls to a lot of projects is people get bored and lose motivation. So if you find something that you're interested in and curious about, I think that will keep you going. Jen says, I keep go for it, but if it's your first project, then try to make a smaller project. Yeah, well, even if it's a large project, you can do small bits at a time. But yeah, like if you do have a smaller goal in mind, you will find, like, I guess it'll be easier to achieve. So you might be easier to keep the motivation up. Whereas a big project that you might set out to do and you don't achieve, you might get deterred and stop working. So that's one thing. Yeah, just go for big. John says their first project was a God of War ripoff made with C#. Wow, that's insane. A whole like 3D game. Did you use Unity or like Unreal Engine or just straight coding? Built the whole game engine yourself? That'd be insane. Okay. Unity. Yeah, I've done a bunch of game dev in Unity. It's good fun. Okay. Okay, how do I fix this issue? Result too large. Result too large. What was the way? Hold on. Error initializing complex filters, result too large. So maybe I can't use complex filters either. Awesome, Akib. I'm glad I could help. Thank you so much for your comments. I really appreciate. Same with you guys, Jen and Miles. I really appreciate all the comments. It really helps me stay motivated with streaming, getting that engagement from the viewers and the fans. Really appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Thank you for the likes, Aladdin. Aladdin. Like that movie, The Dictator. Okay. Let's try search GitHub for... What do I want to find? I want to find people using this silence detect. If I search this into GitHub, will I find anything useful? Let's have a look. Search all of GitHub. 0. Aww. Come on. I don't know if you can search multiple things. If I go like, search silence detect, And is there any JavaScript? One JavaScript result. Ooh, playback that automatically skips silence parts. What about in the code? There's no JavaScript? What? This is JavaScript. Why is it not an option? What the fuck? Let me use advanced search. Oh, whatever. These are all JavaScript. Oh, maybe I'm already on the filter. Okay. Okay. Let's have a look at this. Aladdin says yes. Aladdin. John says the thing is that, bro, you're a good wholesome streamer, but not a lot of people are into coding. Yeah, I get that a lot. They say like, yeah, your videos don't make sense. Like all of my friends, like that aren't into tech and coding, they're like, it's just too complex. I didn't understand a thing. So yeah, that's definitely some feedback that I've received, but I don't know. Should I dumb it down? There's already so many people doing like beginner coding and tech. So I guess, I don't know. I was just like, I'm here to just make content for the like slightly more advanced people, and that's just how I do. So yeah, that's it for now. I've kind of messed up this window I had here. Should I just remove it? Yeah, I might just remove it. Window cap. It's completely gone on Chrome as well. Oh, it's moved up. What the hell? Oh well, don't worry about it. Aladdin said, I just entered the live. What are you trying to do? Yeah, I was making a video editor app I have here. I've cloned it from another project, and I'm trying to make an automated app that removes all silence and pauses in speech from video automatically just with the click of a button. It's using Electron, ReactJS, and this library called ffmpeg, which I haven't really ever used before, and just trying to set that up. I'm encountering a bunch of errors. I'm trying to like debug it with ChatGPT and Google, and yeah, it's just where I am now. Thank you for joining and asking the questions. Miles says, if he's having fun, then might as well stream while working. Yeah, that's kind of the thing, like kill two birds with one stone. And they say, when you fix the ffmpeg, I'm emotionally invested in knowing the fix now. Oh, thanks for the rose 4. I appreciate it. You want me to help Google this? If you want, I'm happy to take suggestions. You don't have to. I'm not sure if we'll get there. This might be like a multiple stream thing. But yeah, we're gonna keep trying. If anyone has anything else they want to see, I'm happy to put this aside for a while. But we're gonna keep trying. Tried Google, and now we're trying to look at GitHub code. It seems like no one's ever done this before, so it's like maybe it's not even possible. Threshold, silence, duration. I'm gonna keep Googling some stuff. Fluent, ffmpeg, silence detect on video. Yes, this is what I wanted, but I couldn't find anything. With this particular one, at least. Or even just these two. Oh, what's this? This library abstracts the complex command line usage into a Node.js thing. I think that's pretty much what I'm using now anyway. They have the mention of silence detect here. Let's have a look. Audio filters. Maybe that's what I have to use. Okay. Well, Is that what I should use? Audio filters. I wanted to log the output. Video filters. Fade in. Framing. Maybe it's one of the log things. I got logs. Console log. Oh, on? Oh, on progress. Almost. What other ons do they have? Because if we can get the logs from the audio filters, could be interesting. On end. What this? Do they have better docs, or is this just it? This might just be it. All right, let's just Google. Let's just search for on bracket open. Let me read the comments. Jan says biggest problem is that these social platforms, not only TikTok, can instantly make you go viral or completely make you lose motivation. Yeah, my last video got 1.4 million views on TikTok. It's insane. And like, yes, for something that's like coding, which you'd think like not many people would be interested in, got a lot of views. Mal says try a smaller PNG as a test. I don't know if that'll help. I'm trying to do videos. Jan says open even Spotify, bro. I used to make music and I was getting 0 streams for months, and then suddenly I was getting 2.5 to 18k streams per day. Wow, that's awesome. What kind of music you make? Gusto, my homie George, welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining. 4:20 a.m. Oh shit. Welcome. Is it 4:20 a.m. where you are? Rap music. Oh, awesome. Can we look it up? Jan, what's your artist name? I'd like to listen. I used to make some rap music as well, actually. Funnily enough, Benji. I used to make some Depresso, yeah. We've been through that. Music's always a good way to vent out your emotions, for sure. Progress, standard error, error and on data. I wonder what that'll do. Okay, new plan. New plan. What are we gonna do? I'm gonna figure out where this returns. What's this called? Convert. Window API convert here. Here on progress, error, and end. We're gonna add another one called on data that will log log data and then the chunk, just the whole chunk. Just give it to me, bro. What's this complaining about? Unexpected string concatenation. All right, what about if we just do a call? Sweet. Okay, that's that. Now we have to just use audio filter here. The audio filter. How do they do it in the docs? Jan says it's called The Sadists. I'm gonna look. Is it on YouTube? Can I look that up on? I don't actually have Spotify. I use YouTube Music, but I'll look it up there. This one? Let's check it out. It's already looking cool. George says AJ makes some dope rap music. 420 says it's 2:30 in Italy. Damn. Check out Realist Drillers on YouTube. Yeah. This is sick. Like is it like 80s style? This isn't really rap though. I'm not sure if this is you guys or not. Damn, it's 3:30 in Egypt. Sick. Alright, I'm gonna stop playing that just in case I get copyright banned. But yeah. What am I making? I'm trying to make a video editor software that can delete all the silence from my video in one click. Come Christmas shopping after the live? Yeah, alright, I'll give you a message after I'm finished. Alright, so I was just gonna try a few things more out, maybe for another like 30 minutes or so. And if we don't get it, we'll get them next time. Alright, silence detect, and hopefully it'll log on data, which I don't know if that's how I want to get it. Actually I want to Google that. Or actually I'll ask ChatGPT. So much knowledge, yeah, you know it. Ty Lopez. Convert. Let's see. Let me write a new chat with ChatGPT. Can you write me a script using fluent ffmpeg and the audio filter silence detect that logs out all the moments of silence? Doesn't seem to be working what I tried. I'm only getting the process logs. But that's okay. Let's see if ChatGPT can come up with it. Output format null. So no output file is generated, that's fine. Log level of quiet. So only the quiet sounds detectors. Log, I don't need that either. Run the command and log the output. Where is it logging the output? Oh, standard error. You sure? You sure about that, my dude? I don't know if it would log that in the standard error. That don't seem right. Don't seem right. Do not seem right. If error. Standard error. Just in the run. Do we use a run function? Let's have a look at the code that I have. Run? Is there a run? Aha, we do have a run. Okay. Let's inject this code in the run. Is that legal? It's not happy. I'll tell you that much. Why are you not happy? Expected 0 arguments but got 1. Oh, that's console error. Why is this not happy? Expected 0. What? Is it a TypeScript thing? Oh, run doesn't have any arguments? ffmpeg. Oh, so they're just running it without the command. ffmpeg input file. I'm not sure if I can do that, to be honest, but we'll give it a go. Let's see. Oh my god, why did it copy the text as well? It's still not very happy. I think it's still saying that like run shouldn't have any arguments. What does the doc say? Use the run method. Yeah, they don't put any arguments in there either. Damn it, ChatGPT giving me this wrong code. You do this to me. Try again. Jen says the sheer amount of red lines, bro. Jesus, yeah, dude. That one was not pretty. That was not pretty at all. Okay, output options. This is what we got the first time. On start. On error. On error. Type. Oh, let me just log out this standard error. I'm not sure if I'm doing that. Apparently that's where it reckons it's gonna come out. Like, I'm very skeptical. Error. Stood out. Stood error. No, see? This isn't even something you can do. What the hell? Okay, so pretty confident that ChatGPT can't really use this what do you call it, library very well. It's not very knowledgeable about it, which is fair, which makes sense because there's not much on the internet about ffmpeg, especially fluent ffmpeg. So it's just probably something I'll have to figure out myself. Let's see if I can get it with Google. ffmpeg fluent ffmpeg silence detect logs. The hell is this? Here. Oh my god, this is in Chinese and it's 404. It's sick. Let's see, what about this one? A lot of Chinese answers. Yeah. Okay, whoa, read stream. After AVI, where they use silence. Detect. It's not really giving me the logs though, that's my issue. Progress. Progress.percent. Oh, this is their custom log, log.info, okay. You can use that. I doubt that's why this one didn't log, but log data. Chunk. And this one, I'm gonna try get it to get the whole progress instead of just the percent. Log progress. Let's see if I get anything more interesting with that. Okay. Come on, give me some useful logs, please. Or is it just gonna be the percent again? No, it should be more, but I don't know if it'll be anything to do with the silence detect. We'll see. The Gaming Turtle, welcome to the stream. Odali, welcome. Oh, object. Oh my god. So when I JSON.stringify. Yeah. Is there anything else I could add? Don't think so. This is a tough cookie. Tough cookie to crack. Adali says like, how does he know? It gives me a notification. Well, not a notification, but it says when someone joins on TikTok, it says they joined. Dog, you said my name, I got so scared. 4 people joined at once, what the fuck? Yeah, I don't know, something must be happening with the algorithm, is boosting me. Even though what I'm doing right now is kind of lame and boring. I'm making a video editing app. I'm trying to get it to trim all the silence so it's just like the parts with speech, essentially, just to automate my clip making process. But it's been very unproductive. A lot of trial and error, not much progress. So yeah, kind of annoying, to be honest. Wait, am I using silence detect? Yeah. I don't get how I'm meant to be using silence detect. I don't really explain it very well. This method allows customer filters. You may add filters in their syntax. Doesn't really say how I get the information from the filter. Specifying multiple outputs, output options. Adali says, I switched my major to computer science just recently and I got to buy a laptop. Any recommendations? I was looking at MacBook Air M2. Yep, that's a good one. Do you think that'll be good enough? Yeah, for like 90% of the cases, I think the Air with M2 would be awesome. It's thin, it's small. M2 is really powerful. The only downsides with those kind of laptops are the GPUs, I think. Like they don't really have a good dedicated GPU, so if you're doing any like graphics intensive stuff, it could struggle. Maybe. I'm not sure. That could be not the case anymore, but yeah, I'd love it. Any MacBook released like in the past year or two would be really good. Like even the M1s. Maybe not the Air M1, but the Pro M1s for sure. They're great. That's what I have, I think. Jan says it'll be more than good. MacBooks are work machines meant for coding and office work, not for other stuff. Yeah, exactly. So they wouldn't be good for gaming, but if you just want it for coding, it'll be awesome. I love coding on a Mac, especially because it's a Unix system. So you got like the terminal off the bat, like from the start, and you can just do all the like Linux commands in your terminal, which is really useful. Tanga, welcome to the stream. Alright, how can I get these logs, dude? Event handlers. Okay, this is kind of what I want. Codec data, event is emitted when. Codec information. We'll try that. We're getting desperate. Let's just try everything. Do we have a codec data already? We do not. Codec data. Log in log codec JSON.stringify data. Alright, what other output things can we put on? Progress, we already have that. Frames, current FPS, target size, yeah. Standard error. Oh. I think this is actually what we want. I hope this works. For some reason, oh, well, it's what ChatGPT thought would contain what we're looking for. It doesn't really make sense that that kind of information I want would be in the standard error output, but you know, we're kind of desperate, so we'll give it a go. What else is there? Jan says the Windows terminal is elite with winget too. Do you mean PowerShell? Which one? What's winget? Let me have a look. Oh, okay. Yeah, it is in PowerShell or CMD. I use Commander CMDR. It's kind of cool. Looks like, I'll just show you. It looks like this. And you have like all the Unix commands on here too. Yeah. Error transcoding, we have that. And starting the ffmpeg process. Audio codec. Alright, I'm just gonna run this with the new output, see if we get anything interesting. Is there a standard out? STD out. There is a standard out. We'll still run this while I read. Oh shit, we're getting way more data now. Let's have a look. Log data, all the things. Log data, log data. Why weren't we getting this log data before? Wait, did I not? Oh, this could be standard error. Ah shit, it probably is. Log progress, log data. Just going frame by frame, but it's not really giving me the silence detection, which is what I wanted. Wonder if maybe there's some other ffmpeg JS silence detect. Someone else using silence detect with a JavaScript. Okay. Not exactly. Not exactly. Well, this is kind of what I want. Oh, yeah. Type 1 argument sends the data to standard out. The output that's shown when you run the command is outside of node to send the standard error. I didn't really get what I was looking for. And standard error. Time percent. Frame. Encoder. Maybe it'll give it at the end. Wait and see, I guess. Oh, we do have some other stuff here. Weighted frames, finished processing, queue average. Still nothing about the silence. It's a bit annoying. I was standard outlines. Just have a look. Error. Standard out. The error event is emitted when an error occurs. Listener will also receive 2 additional arguments. Standard out is empty when the command outputs to a stream. Outputs to stream. Wait, should I? Maybe on the end? On end. Oh. Where do they have it? Let's do this to error. Alright. This is my last attempt. I'm probably gonna give up after this. Where is this? Out and error first? Or was it error then out? Out and error, yeah. Why is it not happy with that? Because it's never used, that's fine. Log info. Oh my god. Okay. Stood. I'll stringify it, JSON dot stringify stood out and also stood please. Why is it complaining? Okay, it's just a formatting problem. I'm gonna just comment those. I don't care about your complaints. And try this again. Last try, lucky last. Hopefully we get something useful. Otherwise it's back to the drawing board with me. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Codec. This might take a little bit. But yeah, I'm not too confident that we'll get a result. Oh, 99%. That was quick. Give me some output. But yeah, I'd like to thank everyone that joined the stream. Really appreciate everyone that commented as well. Really helps me stay motivated with streaming. I'm sorry, I don't think this stream was too entertaining, unfortunately. Imagine it just works right now. That'd be so good. I'd stay for another half an hour, but it probably won't. And yeah, I'll probably leave the stream there and come back another time. But yeah. So it looks like it's kind of just hung up on 99%. It's teasing me. It doesn't want me to leave. Come on. Any second now. Do something. Kinda wish I kept those progress outputs now. Whoops. Accidentally closed it. Alright, I'll give it 10 more seconds, otherwise I'm just gonna call it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Well, yeah, thanks again, guys. I'll see you guys next stream. Peace.